David wakes up early on Saturday morning. The weather is beautiful. The sky is clear and the sun is shining. Today, he wants to visit his friend Alex. Alex lives in another part of the city. David has never been there before. He checks the address on his phone. He also checks the bus number. The correct bus is bus 25. David walks to the bus stop. Several people are waiting there. A bus arrives. David quickly gets on the bus. He sits near the window. The bus starts moving. David looks outside. He enjoys the view. After 20 minutes, he notices something strange. The streets do not look familiar. He checks his phone again. Then, he looks at the number inside the bus. His eyes become wide. "Oh no," he says quietly. "This is bus 52, not bus 25. He laughs at himself. "I took the wrong bus." David feels a little worried. He does not know where he is. He decides to ask the driver. When the bus stops, David walks to the front. "Excuse me," he says politely. "I think I'm on the wrong bus." The driver smiles. "Do not worry," he says. "It happens all the time. You can get off at the next stop. Then cross the street. Bus 25 stops there every 15 minutes. David thanks the driver. He gets off at the next stop. Now he waits for the correct bus. A few minutes later, an old woman sits beside him. She smiles and says, "Are you waiting for bus 25? David smiles. "Yes, I am." She says, "So am I." Soon, bus 25 arrives. This time, David checks the number carefully before getting on. He laughs again. "I won't make the same mistake twice." The ride is peaceful. 30 minutes later, David arrives at Alex's neighborhood. Alex is waiting outside. "There you are," Alex says. "What took you so long?" David laughs. "I took the wrong bus." Alex laughs too. It happens to everyone. They spend the afternoon together. They drink coffee. They talk for hours. They walk through a beautiful park. Before going home, David says, "Today I learned something important." Alex asks, "What is it?" David smiles. "Always check the bus number before you get on." Both friends laugh. It was a small mistake, but it became a funny memory. Sometimes small mistakes create the best stories. Thanks so much for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to Easy English Real World. I will be creating many more slow and easy English lessons. to help you improve your listening, vocabulary, and speaking. And don't forget to watch my other videos. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.